Wahim, now we are starting our exercise 9.4, and in exercise 9.4 we are discussing the cone. What is a cone? Conical solids consist of two parts, circular base and the curved surface. As you know that this is the cone, and if you are looking in this figure, this area is known as the circular base and that area is known as the lateral area. Clear? Now as you look your ice cream cone, you are seeing like this figure. आप इस तरह की figure को देखेंगे, having a circular base and a lateral area. Now we are discussing the elements of the cone. There are 5 elements of a cone. Vertex, point V, this is the vertex point and this is point V. Radius MOC means measure OC. This is the O and this is the C. O is the center and OC is the radius. Height MOV means this from this to this point. This is the height represented by H. Slant height means CV. This is C and this is V. This height is slant height, and AV, this height is also slant height. Now center the point O. This is a point O and this is the center of the cone, and this area is known as the circular base. This side, as I told you before, this is known as the slant height. Clear, students? Now the line joining the vertex to the center of the cone is perpendicular to the radial segment of cone. It's mean कि line जो vertex को join करती है center से, this line is perpendicular. ये perpendicular means creating an angle of 90 degree. Clear? This is the angle of 90 degree. If any two lines create an angle of 90 degree, these are the perpendicular lines to the radial segment of the cone. Is it clear? Now we are starting our exercise 9.4, question number 1. Before starting our exercise 9.4, we are discussing some formula for the cone. If you want to find the length, the formula is L is equal to H square plus R square. Now by using this formula, if you find a length, then you are using this formula. Clear? And if you find a radius from this formula, you can do like this. Radius is equal to length square minus L square and the square root sign. Clear? If you find to height, again this by using this formula, you got square root L square minus R square. Clear? Curved surface area, the formula for finding the curved surface area is pi r L. For finding base area, we are using pi r square. Now total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus base area by using these formulas. Now pi r L and pi r square, इन दोनों में से आपके पास पाई आर जो है वो कॉमन आ जाएगा, पीछे एल प्लस आर रह जाएगा. आप डायरेक्ट इस फॉर्मूला को यूज़ करके भी टोटल सरफेस एरिया फार्मूला जो है वो फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. दोनों सरफेस एरियाज़ के फार्मूला को लगा कर भी आप सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. फॉर फाइंडिंग द वॉल्यूम, द फार्मूला इज़ V इज़ इक्वल टू 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर H.